You have to slide your arm behind the frame and put your hand flat on the back of the drum. Because if you don't have your hand on the back of the drum, you get this sound, which is horrible. Instead, you want this sound. Now, when you listen to a Bòdhran player, you'll hear the pitch of the drum changes, and you do that by pressing on the back of the head. And one of the things that a Bòdhran player can do is listen to what they're accompanying and actually tune their drum to be one of the notes that people are playing in the tune by how much pressure they put on the back of the head. Down, 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 skip, down, down, skip, down, skip, down, down, skip, down, down, skip, down, skip, down, skip, down, skip.